morning, everyone. Here from the beautiful city of Sousse in Tunisia. What's going on? I'm on a mission to find a good place for breakfast, and then after breakfast I want to go to the ribat. I want to catch some panoramic views of the city. I mean, how amazing is it to wake up to this view? I'm absolutely loving Sousse, like I did Tunis and Sidi Bou Said and also La Marsa. And as I mentioned yesterday, every city has got its unique personality and vibe, feel, and so I can't choose which is the better. For me, they're all so amazing. Now it's just after 8 and we have somebody swimming, but I can guarantee you the water is not cold. We have some fishermen early morning as well. Alright, here's this place called Besties, and it's a sit-down restaurant, and then there's also Express Cafe. Let's see what they serve. Maybe it's just coffee. I'm going to stick around and have the coffee and croissant. Let's keep it light and easy. Alright, that is my coffee and croissant, and I think it is a mint tea and water as well. So, like I said, keeping it light and breezy. I'm probably going to have a heavy lunch, maybe one of those shawarmas again. Actually, lemonade, mint. Right, my mint tea has arrived. Let's just check how much it is to rent these sunbeds. Good morning. Do you speak English?
Yes, hello.
Oh, sorry. How much is it to rent these the beds?
قديش قال لك الكلام؟
10 dinar.
Yes.
For the day or for an
the day,
hour?
yes.
For the full day?
How much person you are?
Oh, no, just one.
Just one, yes.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Just want to check. Okay.
Welcome.
All right. Thank you so much. Is there a cafeteria close by for drinks?
تعال قهوة تعمل له قهوة.
Oh, is
He
it?
can bring you coffee.
Oh, is it? Okay. All right. Thank you. I'll come back later.
Okay.
Thanks, eh? This is the Mediterranean. Okay, this area seems to have much more hotels and resorts. Seems like a more expensive side of the city. And as you can see, there are much more sunbeds and people sunbathing out here. And I would imagine that's people that's staying at the hotels. So that makes sense. And the other side maybe more for the public. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Mosque Bou Jafar. Really nice. So peaceful. Mosque of Sousse. I've been here yesterday, but the upstairs was closed. So I just want to give it another shot and see if I can go upstairs and then check out the vibe, check out the views. But I like this little square, guys. It's like very busy out here. I mean, look at that, man. And I don't see anybody upstairs either, so maybe it's not permitted anymore. This is the inner court, and that's the prayer area. let's just go this way. Let's see what's on this side. Right, let's make our way up. Oh, nearly missed a step. Very nice. And that's the view from the second floor. It's a prayer room. I'd have to get some more information on it, guys, and that's why normally when you come to visit these places, it's best to come with a tour guide. These are all rooms, it seems. Right, I think we can go all the way up to the tower, but before then there's another floor, and then from the tower I think that's where you get the panoramic views of the city. It is time to go up this tower. I just switched to low light on my camera, guys, just so that you can see. It's quite dark. Alright, spiraling. As long as we're not spiraling out of control. Thank you so much. Ooh. Right.
Someone following you?
No, nobody.
Okay.
Thank you. Alrighty. Made it to the top, guys. And this overlooks the city. Wow. There we have the dock area. That's the beach area on that side. Beyond these buildings, that's where I'm staying. Oh, you can see the Mediterranean. And that is the Great Mosque of Sousse. And welcome to the Medina. This is the Medina area, guys, and these are the souks and the markets. You'll see them all over the place. And now to find our way back down, or to make our way back down. Ooh. Right, let's do this. Ooh, what do we do now? Okay. Allez. Bonjour. Okay. Thank goodness for these air vents. There are lights though, guys, so it's not completely dark. But I think it's not very bright either. Back in the souk, and I'm gonna find something to chow. For the first time since being here, I've actually heard somebody greet me now in Arabic. Everybody else has always been greeting me in French, and so now for the first time I heard somebody say Salam Alaikum. Do you have baklava? Baklava? No? No. Oh, that's the one.
This way, the best shop in the
This one.
for the club.
Okay, okay.
This way, the best shop.
All right. I don't know what these are
Other
called.
shop is no good.
but I just want to taste it.
Thanks. حبيت خيري. هذا شو كيلو؟
Oh,
1 kilo they cost 43 dinar. Perfect. This is correct.
okay.
No high price, no business.
All right. Okay.
We come back for my friend for some dishes.
Yes, yes, I'll come back now.
This son Haris. Son Haris.
Without Harris. This with Harris.
No rice, no rice.
حبنا حبس Harris.
No rice. Okay. So it's a brick, right?
Okay.
Brick sandwich. Okay. Oh, okay, 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 okay. I see.
Something like this for me.
Is that for you?
For me, yes.
Okay.
Small harissa, the red, and harissa the green.
All right. So I finally have it, guys. What I've been looking for, a brick. Oh, so it's got. Oh, I'm gonna give you the ingredients later, guys. Let me just eat. Find a spot. Egg, tuna, potato, salad, and what else is in there? Some spicy sauce. This is the dock area. I'm just sitting on the dock of the bay. Wow, it is huge. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna inquire if any of these boats are gonna go out soon, and if not, then I'll check what time they're gonna go out tomorrow. Alright. Oh, it's a party vibe up there, man. Okay guys, I was able to negotiate the price and it came down to like 15 dinar. So from 70 down to 25 and I paid 15. Right, I'm gonna go upstairs. Where the party's at.
Hands up. Dale, dinos sus, reales, el Israel, a partir de la mujer más, real. Dale, todo, dinos sus.
Wow guys, that was insane! That was really cool, man. Alright, I think we're on our way back now. Guys, that was insane. I mean, had the perfect weather and we had a nice group of people and the show was great, the ride was great. Now guys, let's eat. I actually decided to stop for a cappuccino instead. It's only after 4. It's like around 4:30 and I think I'm gonna wait until later this evening and I'll have a proper dinner. So I'm just sitting on the side of the road on the sidewalk, tables and chairs out here, and this place is called, oh, I can't see the name now. Beach is that way. Today was another good day. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Yes sir, it has arrived. That is my cappuccino. I think it's about 2 dinar. Ooh, wow. That's a good cup. No. Okay. Merci. Thank you so much. Alright guys. Let's find a seat on that side. Sit over here. Okay, I actually went to the supermarket guys and I went to get some goodies. Like my deodorant is up. So I just want to go and get some roll-on. And then I've also got some soap. Hello, how you doing? Thank you. And I also got some chocolate. These are like, what do you call this? Tweaks. With the shortcake and caramel chocolate. So, okay, but that's for later tonight, and this is for now. Bon appetit. So good. So I ate right here in the Medina, at this restaurant on the corner, and boy, was that amazing. I gotta admit though that I haven't been eating healthy at all. I've been indulging in all these flatbread and shawarmas. That's mostly street food. I haven't eaten in a restaurant at all. But guys, I'm here right now, man. Nothing's gonna stop me now. A lot of shoe stores I've seen. And some more activity down the alleys, even though it's getting quiet now. This is the central station is right there on the right, up ahead to the right. Let's just head over to the to the mosque, where the mosque that square in front of the mosque, and then just see there's some activity on that side. The dock area is that way. That's where I came from this afternoon. So I just want to see if there's still activity on this side, because normally the souks within the Medinas, they close around about 5, but that was in Tunis. So I just want to check if it's the same in Sousse. And so I've decided to stay an extra night in Sousse. I love it so much that I just couldn't see myself leaving. So I'm staying another night, and then I'll leave the following morning. Now it's definitely slowing down. As you can see, the mosque is open. As I mentioned, it stays open until 3 a.m. But everything else is just slowing down. It's getting less and less people. And this is the square that I was talking about. Just outside the mosque, and then the ribat is on that side to the right. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for hanging with me today, guys. Really appreciate that. And I will see you tomorrow when we explore some more of this beautiful city called Sousse out here in Tunisia. Thanks once again. Peace.